Now we know to write the pronoun complement direct. So we know the words to fill in. Now we are going to see different forms of the same concept. For example, the form negative. So we are going to see how to write this in the negative form. So in other cases we would just write na before the verb and pa after the verb. In this case we have to write na before the complement direct. So the complement direct will come along with the verb and we have to add na before and pa after that. So normally we would add na here, but in this case na is here. Similarly, the next sentence, elle ne m'appelle pas. So ne m'appelle pas. That is how we write the negative form. The next one is la forme interrogative. So we are going to write questions with this. Est-ce que vous le connaissez? So it is simple. It is a sentence. We used est-ce que form. Est-ce que vous le connaissez? So simple, the sentence with a question mark. You can also write this question in the inverted form, right? Le connaissez-vous? So then you have a hyphen in the inverted form. So what did we learn here? We learned how to write la forme négative, the negative form of that particular concept, and la forme interrogative. So in the form interrogative it was simple, just like how we write any other question. In la forme négative there is a small change, that is, instead of writing na and pa just before and after the verb, we have na before the replacement, the pronoun, and pa after the verb. Simple, you just have to include the la here. Similarly, in this sentence, ma comes after na. So I hope you understood this concept, and we will be doing some exercises to practice this concept.